Hello students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7, changing cultural traditions. This is module 2nd. In first, we discuss about the Renaissance, the changes that were going in the Roman civilization or after the decline of Roman civilization, and how the humanists, how these artists played an important role in the survival of European civilization. Now here next is artist and realism. So here what is that? Artist plays an important role in the development of humanism. Formal education is not sufficient. Artistic work, making of sculptures, paintings, they are also very helpful in development of humanism, humanist. Okay. Now, what will that? The artist started to make statues that looks alive. It means that we're looking that they are having the life, and these important work that helped in the development of this humanist. And one of the important was Donatello. He made the statues that had life. They were looking as alive as they were. Artists were inspired by the past. As you know that Roman civilization had a great past. During that time period, a lot of efforts were there that helped in the development of the civilization, and the remains that were present that helped the artist in regaining that peak as it was earlier. You know that after the decline of Roman civilization, there was nothing, all the things were ruined, but the work of artistic and realistic that helped a lot in the development of this European civilization, or you may say European people. Okay. Now what happened? These artists started to take help of ancient Roman part, and the first portrait or the picture that was made of Lord Jesus. Now the people started to have faith in God also, and these motivated the artist to make new and new paintings. After that, science, geometry, physics, anatomy helped a lot in the development of art or humanism. How was that? Science also helped, and some of the knowledge regarding geometry, because that was an important part of this. Andries Vesalius, a Belgian professor of medicine at University of Padua, studied about the dissect of human body. It means he study about the human parts. And here starts the beginning of physiology. Here starts the study of physiology. That was into the 15th century, that played an important role. So science and astronomy and geometry that helped the artwork to regain its power. That was an important. And here you can see the beginning of physiology. That was the most important thing to study about the human parts. Now models were also copied to make pictures, but the artists were in favor of sculptures and paintings. They were not interested in models. They wanted to make new changes, and most important was oil painting. The colors that were used to make the painting, and it looks really one. It looks as it has been made now. It is looking one of the best feature. So oil painting and the work, you may say, of sculptures and paintings, that also helped out. Now most important was Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, you know that he was a scientist. Leonardo da Vinci, a painter, biologist, astronomer, mathematician. He was a multi-talented person. Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. You know that Mona Lisa and Last Supper, these are the two portrait, the pictures that are world famous. They are even copied now. They are the most important. So this Vinci, he was a painter, the scientist, astronomer, mathematician, and he did a lot into the development of art as well as science. He wanted, he believed in astronomy also. He wanted to fly. He has a, you may say, dream, but that was not fulfilled at that time. He tried, but that was not a success. So these types of the you may say artists, that helped a lot into the improving of this Italian culture.